Hanggang Mabuhay. Today we will be focusing on a topic very close to all our hearts, the incredible development of our young ones, typically between ages 9 to 12.
That's right, guys. It's a time of huge changes, both how they look and how they think. To help us understand this important stage, we have two amazing guests. Dr. Gwyneth Diaz, an expert of child physical development, and Dr. Bialyn Latorda, specializing in the cognitive development of this age group. Mabuhay po sa inyong dalawa!
Mabuhay Technologies!
Dr. Gwen, let's begin with the physical transactions. What are some brain development we should expect to see in our intermediate pupils?
This age group experiences a significant growth sport. Though the timing varies, we see improvements in gross motor skills, running, jumping, coordination, leading to increased participation in sports. Fine motor skills also refine, allowing for more integrated tasks. And yes, the beginnings of puberty emerge in some, leading to further physical changes. It's important to remember that this is a normal and natural process.
Dr. Bialyn, how do these physical changes influence cognitive development?
They're deeply interconnected to improve coordination and fine motor skills. Learning, particularly in writing and using tools. Hormonal changes influence energy levels, affecting concentration. A healthy body supports a healthy mind.
So, tell us about the cognitive leaps and downs during these years.
Intermediate pupils beyond progress, thinking towards abstract reasoning. They become more logical, solve complex problems, and understand cause and effects. Their memory and attention spans improve significantly. We see the development of independent cognition, thinking about their own thinking, crucial for learning strategies. It's a time of incredible intellectual growth.
Dr. Gwen, what physical activity can parents encourage to support cognitive development?
Physical activity boosts brain blood flow, improving focus. Activities requiring coordination and problem solving, like team sports or building games, are beneficial. Regular exercise replaces food and sleep, crucial for cognitive function. Think of it as malusog na katawan, malusog na isip.
What challenges might parents face?
Balancing independence with guidance. Parents need to support their children's growing autonomy while providing necessary function. Regaining the emotional changes of puberty requires patience and understanding. And in nourishing proper nutrition and sleep remains vital. A well-nourished, well-rested child is better equipped to learn and grow.
It is really important that we also know how to equip young ones with the foundation that they need to develop themselves both physically and mentally.
So, to test if our topic was clear and understandable, let us do some questions from our studio audience.
In physical development, this is the phase where children experience growth spurt and changes of their bodies like the increase of muscle mass. And they are also able to participate in activities and sports. While in cognitive development, pupils develop a more complex thinking abilities such as abstract reasoning, problem solving, and critical thinking.
Very well said. So that concludes the easy to understand topic 9 for today's GCAP.
Any final thoughts, Dr. Gwen and Dr. Bialyn?
This doesn't
roles only for the parents, but for teachers and adults also. Embrace the changes, support the children's physical activity and healthy habits.
As for me, parents provide the primary environment that encourages learning, cooperation, and accountability. Remember, bawat bata ay may kanya-kanyang angkot.
And thank you so much for helping us.
Thank you also so much, Dr. Gwen and Dr. Raymond, for sharing your time with us.
Sa aking mga manunood, tandaan po natin na ang paglaki ng ating mga anak ay isang biyaya. Suportahan natin sila sa bawat yugto ng kanilang paglalang. Once again, this is Juicy Traveso, your cute little host in and outside the campus. At palagi natin tatandaan sa pag-asa at pagmamahal, huwag po tayong mawawala. This is Angel Milapasaran, ang magandang health sa inyong kaumagahan.
Muli, ako ang inyong kapos Chika Dora, ng pinsan ni Dora sa paghahanap ng chika, uwing umaga. Ako ang inyong kaibigan at kachika, Ruby Feliz, Rico Plaza.
At kami ang inyong kasama sa maganda at buhay na buhay niyo.